Hi, my name is Pierre, student number 1427251. In this video, I am going to show two laboratories. The first laboratory will be how to download and install the Cisco UCS platform in VMware Workstation, and the second one will be to create a cluster in the iCylon simulator from EMC. So first we will go to the Cisco community page and to the download page where we could download the platform emulator, and then go down to the OVA file, not the zip file. It will be easier for the installation in VMware. Once we have downloaded this file, we will go to perfect. Once the file is downloaded, we can go to downloads here, and we have our OVA file right here. Then we can go to VMware Workstation, and from here we can open a virtual machine and select our OVA file here and open it. Once open, the installation with the wizard will be running. So I've run it already, and we arrived to the actual emulator right here. So to get the graphic interface, we can connect to this IP, and we will log in using the admin login and password. And from here we can set up our platform emulator. Now I'm going to show you the iCylon simulator.